Muling pinaunlakan ng Vallejo Police ang grupo ng bitag na masilip ang kanilang pagsasanay sa pakikipaglaban gamit lamang ang lakas ng katawan.
Do you wanna do what I gotta do?
Ito ang ground fighting.
Well, what we're doing here is we're doing our training for ground fighting, and it has to do with self-defense and when someone overpowers you and you end up on your back.
Sa California, pinag-aaralan ng mga alagad ng batas ang ground fighting upang idepensa ang kanilang mga sarili sa mga aktwal na labanan. Ayon kay Dave Hohen, ang Los Angeles Police ang nagpasimula ng ground fighting para sa mga California cops. Pinakadelikado kapag ang suspect ang siyang nasa ibabaw ng isang alagad ng batas. Kaya naman sa ground fighting, napag-aaralan kung paano kontrolin ng isang pulis ang suspect na lamang sa posisyon ng kanilang pagbubunuan.
So what you have here is the officer is the one who's on the bottom of the routine, with the suspect on top of them, above the thighs, they're on the chest. And this is a technique to roll the suspect over, so the officer is now on top and the suspect is on the bottom. So as the officer posts up, you see he rolls them over. Now the officer would be on top and the suspect is in on the bottom to be able to release himself from that position where he was being held down.
Iniingatan ng Vallejo Police na malantad ang kanilang mga teknik sa ground fighting dahil baka hindi na raw maging epektibo ito sa kanilang engkwentro sa mga suspect. Isang style lamang ang pinayagan nilang idokumento ng bitag. Ito ay sa pangunguna ni Vallejo Police Force Defense Instructor Steve Darden. Ito ang tinatawag na simple squib kung saan napapaibabawan ng suspect ang isang pulis.
First of all, if you find yourself on the ground, never put your head all the way back. Always have your head up, so that way you've got room to go ahead and move your head to get away from the blows. And as they're punching, buck your hips. Because if I'm bucking, he can't hit me. Go ahead. He can't hit me. So buck your hips, swim out and over, trap that arm. If he's so big and he posts so far out and you're short, reach up and grab him. Right? Trap that. Alright? Or if you want to grab it, put it across here. Trap his leg. Same thing. Alright? Okay. So swim out, trap it, same side leg. This one, push. The suspect's cup his shoulder. On the street, we really don't care. But cup the shoulder so you don't get your fingers broken when you roll. Or your wrist rolled out. Okay? Push here. You're going to push in a diagonal position. You're on top. You see how I have this arm here? If he tries to hit me, I still have control of that arm. Right? And I've also got this too. If I can just tweak it a little bit if I want. Or I can release him and post up, get away from him, or if I have to stay down, I can do what we talked about where you post up and you can actually take a break if you need to. And you could deliver blows here if you need to. Alright? And we all know to break the guard to get up. Okay?
But we do it every quarter, which is about every 3 months. You know, once every 3 months is not going to make them proficient. So they have to go out and practice on their own and keep their skills up. We just try to, keep refining them so they get better and better each time.
Panghihikayat ng mga Vallejo Police Instructors sa bitag, pwede ring pag-aralan ng mga alagad na batas sa ating bansa ang kanilang ground fighting. Maaari raw na sila mismo ang magturo sa ating mga pulis na siguradong hindi pagsisisihan.
As long as you make the arrangements with their staff, then they'll send a squad out there to do the training. And it's ARCON training, which is arrested control. It's a 2-week course. It's all of our instructors have been through it. It's very, very physically demanding, but it's worth it. I mean, and then with the training, you retain the training, and you have the training manuals, and you spread that out with your staff, the other police officers. I mean, you can actually save someone's life, because we've had incidents on the street where officers have actually used some of these techniques that you're watching.